Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you all positions that I took during the last week, and after that I will show you how you can pass a Propfirm challenge in one day. So let's start with the positions. Let's start from gold, and on gold we continued to move in that short order flow. So I was interested in short positions, and on the Tuesday I tried to take my first position, and it was a stop loss, so I saw here order flow, right? So my bias was short, and I also had that target, those equal lows, and price just didn't go in my favor. So sometimes it happens, and that's it. Let's move on. Next position that I took, also I took short position because we're moving in short order flow here, and I saw that manipulation, and I tried to take the position. I don't really remember where I entered exactly, but somewhere here, let's say. And then I saw that we tested that demand that we have right here. We do some sort of reaction, right, and we do a break of structure. So I see that we have some sort of local flow here, and I see the price respects that. So because of that, I uh, I closed my position, and I entered that long from New York manipulation. So when I saw that New York session respects that order flow, and it takes out that liquidity, it does break of structure for me, I thought that it will be nice to take that long position, and that was it. Then let's move to the British pound. I had one position on British pound, it was long, and I took that just because of order flow. Because globally we're moving at order flow, so price rates that all that liquidity. It does breaks of structure, and here I just saw that we took out that liquidity. Also, we rebalanced that fair value gap. Price does manipulation. Here I didn't really want to answer because I looked at the EURUSD in that moment. I'll show you right now. I looked at EURUSD here, yeah, but because the manipulation itself looked a lot better for me. But EURUSD didn't make any money like breaks of structure, and GBP USD did break of structure. So because of that, I had to enter him, and I entered that from the New York manipulation because, as I said, I didn't really want to enter from that manipulation. And I took here a very local target because uh, because of the impulsiveness of that movement, I would say. Like, it's very aggressive move. I didn't really want to mm, take like higher targets because I didn't think that we will go without any resweeps right here. So okay, I showed you gold, I showed you GBP, then let's move to the euro. So on euro I think that I had the best position during that week because I don't know, it's just beautiful. So we're moving globally in the long order flow. Here we see some sort of correction, right? And here you can see also that price rates that liquidity pool, that daily fractal, and from that it starts moving at very nice order flow. Like, price works with the structure liquidity right here and does break of structure. Also here we can see that like a structured liquidity, so it's like a liquidity massive, I would say, and price rates that, After what it does break of structure, I kind of fucked up a bit because I had to enter somewhere here, but I was a bit, I don't remember, I was off charts I think. And because of that I entered somewhere here and got 2R multiple. And I took that long. Also, I didn't want to. Also understood that we're still, like, we didn't invalidate that short, so we're still in short order flow in correction, and because of that I took like very local target, Asian high, and as you can see it worked out perfectly. Now let's move to the challenges and how you can pass them in one day. Now let's talk about the instructions and how you will do it. Firstly, you will buy 2 Propfirm challenges, and it's very important for you to buy them in different Propfirms, because if you will pass the challenge that way, most likely you won't get a live account. Propfirm just won't give it to you. So my suggestion for you, you have to buy 2 challenges in 2 different Propfirms, and you have to make sure that in those Propfirms you can pass challenges trading news. So for example, right now you can pass challenges trading news in MyFund.fx and in Alpha Capital. But if you'll watch that in on the YouTube, right? So it may be changed. So if you will, when you will be buying your Propfirm challenges, you have to be sure that you have to check it all. So what you will do next? Next, you will wait till the news on the dollar, and you want to wait till the red news on dollar, and then you will take those 2 accounts and you will place big trades with big volume, like you can use 80% of your margin, and then you put you take 1 trade in a long direction and second trade in short direction, and you do it 1 minute before the news, or maybe no, 10 seconds before the news, and you don't put stop loss, you put only take profits on each account, and your take profit will be like on 10%. So your take has to close your face, and like that you can pass Propfirm challenge in 1 day. And some people say like it's a bit wild to trade news for passing a Propfirm challenge, but yeah, but if you have an experience and if you just want to get Propfirm like live account as quick as possible, then why not? Personally, I don't see nothing wrong with that. I think that it's okay if you don't want to waste your time and if you want to start making money like as quick as possible. And yeah, that was it. That's how you do it. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found something for you. You should also follow us on our other social medias, especially on our Telegram, because there we share our daily analytics, and there we show our positions daily. And that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.